this is Tina. Welcome back to my channel. I am just here to give you a heads up on what's coming up on my channel. I'm going to do a little mini series on 7 days of working with what's on my desk. As you can see, I have plenty of stuff to work with, but I really need your help to, you know, spur me on to get through some of these piles of rubbish that I hear on my desk. I mean, obviously the term desk ephemera, which I have used in the past, has just become probably obsolete. It's probably now like, you know, a desk scrapyard or something. I'm not really too sure. But yeah, definitely it's come to the point where I'm going to need to kind of try and sort this out. So as you can see, there is an awful lot of stuff here. And yeah, the series is going to entail 7 days worth of videos working with what's on my desk. And I'd really love it if you guys could join me. And obviously, if you have a similar pile of desk ephemera, maybe you could endeavour to do this with your desk as well. And we could do 7 days worth of what's on our desks together. I haven't got a plan or anything. We're just going to literally pick stuff randomly from the pile and just make whatever, you know, comes our way, really. So it's going to be fun, hopefully, and hopefully going to shrink that pile somewhat. So I'd love it if you would join me. The series is going to start on Wednesday the 11th of March. And as I say, it will be 7 days worth of working with what's on my desk. Those 7 days, obviously, I won't put one up on the day that we have the mass making video. But apart from that, it will be obviously every day for 7 days. So I hope you're going to join me. It should be lots of fun. And I'm hoping that we're going to really kind of get some clearing up done here of this pile with making just, you know, a whole assortment of projects there, just using basically that huge pile of stuff. So who knows what type of things we're going to make, but it should be fun. So hope you're going to join me and hopefully see you then. Thanks then. Bye.